How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, and this pair of brand new 2024 F-350 Super Duties for our friends over in Homer, Illinois. We started off the front of these trucks with basic four-corner package, which included the amber Thin X on these XL grill trucks and some hideaways in the factory XL incandescent reverse tail buckets. Now, around the back, we also have back racks installed on these trucks with 48-inch En-ROADS light bar, where we stock here every day at Wicked Warnings. That's an in-house light bar we have all the time. We activated the alley and takedown flash to toss a little white in it to the front and to the sides. It's mounted with back rack mounting brackets, which work out just fine on this mesh back rack. And I like that it keeps the bar fairly forward, so if you had something extremely bulky in the bed, it wouldn't smash into the bar. Now, you can always change that by adjusting the drilling. Around the back, hideaways in the reverse lights. Now, this pair of trucks was done right here, but we can handle anything from 1 to 20 trucks if you want. Even more than 20, just bring them on in and let us know. In and out in 48 hours this pair was done, so very, very fast because the client needed them back quickly. You got some trucks like this, you let us know, we'll take care of you. This whole system, again, ran off the factory auxiliary switches, and very simple, very easy.